Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, and welcome to our webinar today, Exclusive Specialty Insurance Programs and Wholesale Access, hosted by Stuckey Company. My name is Tyler Bechtold, the Business Development Manager here at Stuckey, and we appreciate you joining and for your time this Wednesday afternoon. It does appear we have a great turnout today, which is outstanding and very exciting. So before we get started, I just wanted to go through a few things while some of our attendees are still logging on to the webinar. First, if you'd like to ask a question, please find the Go To Webinar control panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Please ask any questions, and we will certainly do our best to get to your questions during and after the webinar today. Next, I would like to introduce and thank Megan Peine, our Business Development Representative here at Stuckey. Megan is our new addition to our business development team since early September, and has been a great asset so far, and she's been doing a wonderful job taking care of our agents by providing resources, professional service, and offering a clear strategy to help support and grow our agents' insurance business. So, Megan, thank you and for your time today.
Thank you, Tyler. I'm so excited to be a part of Stuckey Company. I'm very passionate about this company and my role here. Going above and beyond for my agents is something I genuinely enjoy, and I hope that I am able to work with every one of you that is listening in the future.
Awesome. Thank you, Megan. All right, so a little bit of background about Stuckey Company. We are an MGA, and we provide independent insurance agents and brokers with innovative insurance programs along with excellent service that they need to ensure long-term growth and success. As of today, Stuckey Company has 9 specialty insurance programs that we offer to our licensed agents. This year, we have completed 26 successful years in the business and started our 27th year here in 2018. We are a family-owned business. We have one location right outside of St. Louis, Missouri in the Midwest, and remain dedicated to our growing agency network while serving over 3,000 licensed independent insurance agencies nationwide and over 200,000 customers while providing excellent service from our 151 promise. And I'll go into that a little bit further here shortly. At Stuckey, we do everything from creating niche specialty insurance programs for our agents. This includes managing all areas of the insurance cycle for your client's account, including underwriting, rating and rule generation, program placement. Of course, we do the quoting, the binding process. We also issue policies, provide policy services such as processing endorsements and change requests, issuing certificates of insurance for your clients. We handle the renewal issuance, invoicing and billing, reporting. We also do some systems integration, claims handling, marketing, and free product and insurance training, such as this webinar today. Here is a list of 8 of our specialty insurance programs that we offer to our agents. First, we have Safety Tech, our technology E&O insurance program, which started over 20 years ago, which handles our technology and IT insurance industry. Safety Tech includes broader coverage, low minimum premiums, and is competitively priced for even some of the most complex type services in the technology industry. And then next we have our Aspire A&E for architects and engineers, ArborGuard, which is Stuckey's first program started 27 years ago, which handles marinas and boat dealers. We have our miscellaneous professional liability program, which consists of over 350 eligible classes in MPL, which is really cool. We have Element for the green energy industry. Then, of course, we have our personal lines, which includes markets available for homeowners, personal auto, watercraft, high-value home, and more. And then, of course, we have our commercial lines markets, which includes BOP, work comp, commercial auto, bonds, just to name a few. And last, we have our surplus lines markets for non-standard lines, if any risk falls outside of our underwriting guidelines. So again, today we are very excited to provide an overview of who, why, and what we do here at Stuckey for our independent agents, along with introducing new products, programs, incentives, and more. And today at the end of the session, we hope you will have a great understanding of the ease of doing business with Stuckey, also more details of our exclusive specialty insurance programs, the turnkey wholesale access, the advantages and benefits from your agency partnering with Stuckey, our carrier strength and partnerships with some of the top national A-rated carriers. And then we'll have some details about our knowledgeable, in-depth underwriting support, our quick and easy submission requirements, and lastly, we would like to introduce our new communication platform for our agents and also the new micro-targeted lead program. So as of today, here at Stuckey, we offer our network of independent insurance agents wholesale access to commercial lines, personal lines, professional, and surplus lines, and our wholesale access to these top markets in the industry. It helps us assist you in the placement of your customers' insurance coverage, of course, and we have developed strong partnerships, which allows us to gain access to solid national A-rated carriers, as I mentioned earlier, and this provides our agents with quick, easy, and knowledgeable access to exclusive products. And we have no volume commitments, there's no production requirements, and we do not charge a fee to gain access to these markets. In addition, we are nationally licensed in 48 states except Alaska and Hawaii. Therefore, for example, you can use Stuckey Company for the placement of your technology professional liability account in California, Silicon Valley, your marine risk in Maine, or even a high-value home policy for a family in Florida. So what we would like to do is we can help bring your local program to a national audience and also assist you with even some surplus lines filings for your national account. We also offer free product training, continuing education, and insurance certificate programs. Our goal is we would like to help our licensed insurance agents and agencies understand what differentiates one product from another, and how different carriers define their products, and also how the carriers, understanding of the claims process, can help your insured. Then, of course, we offer several webinars throughout the year on a variety of topics. Some are about specific products, others pertain to general insurance topics, but also are valuable tools that we can help an agent write more business or an insured understand the coverage that they purchased. In these webinars, we provide topics from industry trends, product updates, and coverage changes, just to name a few. And this helps keep our agents in the loop, and of course that trickles down to the policy holders. We feel it is important to purchase coverage from a reputable and knowledgeable markets, and at Stuckey we have this available for our agents. At Stuckey, we provide several advantages to help support your insurance business needs. And as I mentioned earlier, we have zero minimum production requirements and no cost to become appointed with Stuckey. And also, we have a competitive agent commission structure to meet your business needs. And for more information regarding the commissions, please feel free to reach out to myself or Megan. We will certainly be happy to provide additional information about our commissions. We also have a comparative rater available to help your agency to reduce the cost and time, even of duplicate entry, and help provide you with some of the most competitive quotes for your clients. We also offer direct bill to the insureds from the carrier with automatic renewals. The service is unmatched as our team is extremely knowledgeable about all coverage areas and line of business in the continental U.S. And our team has also streamlined the new and renewal submission process to make it easy for our agents to service their clients. At Stuckey Company, we provide every reasonable effort to provide a completed response to all policy requests, quotes, and other inquiries by 5 p.m. Central Time, since we're located in the Midwest. Therefore, we have differentiated ourselves by providing a quick turnaround time from our 151 promise. And this promise is if we receive a completed request by 1 p.m. Central Time, Standard Time, we will have a response back to you by 5 p.m. the same day. And for submissions or any other requests after the 1 p.m. Central Time cutoff, but it's before 5 p.m., we have committed to respond by 1 p.m. Central Time the following business day. And please note, this is if we have all the necessary information or requested information that we need to complete your request, of course. And especially and of course, you gotta have some complex risks, At times, it might maybe take a little bit longer, but we definitely commit to our service standards. So committing to our agents is key, and while we always act in good faith to our customers' commitments, some additional minor limitations to this 151 policy may exist, such as, if this request applies to only business days, it only applies to business days, and these are days that where Stuckey is staffed, normal course of business, does not include weekend, national observed holidays, or holidays recognized by Stuckey. These few limitations can be found on our website for more information. And although our underwriting staff is specialized and trained, so is our dedicated service team here at Stuckey. This service team is available to answer your phone calls, deliver policy services, billing questions, assisting our underwriters, and more. And the great interactions begin with knowing our customers' wants and needs. And we know our agents love personalization, so we focus on successful relationships between us and our agents. As mentioned previously, we have streamlined our submission process for our agents' benefit. Along with our in-house authority from our carriers, our systems are industry leading and allow us to process accounts with ease in regards to endorsements, quotes, and binding. We accept fully completed and signed accord form applications and are required by quoting, but the easiest and most preferred method is by email. Therefore, please send any completed accords to PL Quotes for personal lines and all other lines, including commercial, surplus, and professional lines as well. Please send to justquotes@stuckey.com. And upon receipt, our underwriting team will acknowledge your submission, review the risk, and advise of any questions, also the markets that they're approaching, and more. And as promised, our team will provide you with a completed response as soon as possible if the submission requirements are met. We also offer submissions by fax and mail. And if you need assistance, please reach out to Megan or myself or call 1-800-828-3452, and you'll speak to someone in our service team. And we will be gladly, to help or assist in any way we can. But our next method in regards to personal lines is through our comparative rater Easy Links. For more information about getting access to Easy Links, especially at no cost, please reach out, to us or our personal lines team for additional details. That way we can, help gain quick and easy, successful access to our personal lines. So from past and most recent feedback from our current and appointed agents, our underwriting team is second to none. And although we have in-house quoting authority from our excellent top carriers in the industry, our team provides top-notch industry knowledge and experience. In addition, our teams know our carriers' appetite and by region. And most of all, they are very responsive, and especially from the feedback I've been getting from our agents. And they're quick to respond to any inquiries by email and by phone. So if you do want to, I don't have it on the slides, unfortunately, but if you would like the office contact list, you can actually find that on our website. And of course, any of our team would be happy to speak to you about any risk, and because they obviously love supporting our agents and their business needs, and that's top priority. So next, and one of our most important topics, we wanted to cover today our carrier strength. And at Stuckey Company, we have a long history with some of the most financial sound and reputable insurance carriers around. And as a company, we provide access to 40+ national A-rated insurance carriers for personal, commercial, professional, and surplus lines coverage. And with our personal lines carriers that we offer, we are proud to support products from some of the industry's finest carriers such as Safeco, The Hartford, AIG, MetLife, Foremost, and Chubb, just to name a few. And this includes all policy types such as home, personal auto, watercraft renters. We write a lot of high-value home, RVs, scheduled articles, and more. And then, of course, we have our commercial lines, and mainly we focus on small businesses. Therefore, we provide middle market wholesale access, which includes BOP, work comp, commercial auto bonds, just to name a few. And our top partner carriers include The Hartford, of course, Travelers, Westchester, MetLife, Guard, CNA, Chubb, Markel, Maxim, just to name some. In regards to miscellaneous professional liability, as mentioned earlier, Stuckey's program for MPL encompasses more than 350 different hazard classes among many of the top industry's top carriers. Carriers such as Westchester, Beasley, CFC of Lloyd's, the Hartford CNA, Travelers, Hiscox, Admiral, Guard, Markel, Maxim, and more. And lastly, we also have a team here at Stuckey who specifically handle surplus lines markets for non-standard commercial, personal, and again, any other risk that falls outside of our underwriting guidelines. All right, so we are very excited, Megan and I, to talk about this. Next here is another new program that I would like to talk about a little bit more, of course. We are very excited to discuss further about our agency development team. And this team includes Megan and myself, and is something new here at Stuckey Company. So with that being said, at Stuckey, we have always been driven to provide resources and specialized knowledge in exclusive specialty insurance programs and access for our independent licensed agency partners like yourself. Our mission is to continue to provide professional service by building relationships and offering a clear strategy that our agents need to ensure the long-term growth and success in our insurance business. And as we have always done this, but this program we look to continue to exceed in, is to always put our agents first and are committed to helping them from start to finish. And as a new agent or a current agent with Stuckey, Megan and I will be your single point of contact going forward by answering any questions you may have. We can help you through the appointment process, which is very brief, provide educational training when needed, or any other producers in your agency. Getting a better understanding, we can help you get a better understanding of our products and more. And whether you are a new venture, you're starting your new agency, or a former captive agency, or even a more experienced agent, we have the support that you need and the markets available for your agency to become successful. And this advantage can help your agency become more competitive, whether you are a big agency or even small, it doesn't matter. So again, Megan and I both are very excited to help our agents be successful. And as we plan, along with our team members, we plan to deliver high quality, specialized underwriting for even some of the smallest accounts, and also expertise required for your clients' more complex type risk, which is really cool. So since 1991, Stuckey Company has developed specialty insurance programs, and each program is designed to offer you affordable, accessible insurance coverage. We have become one of the fastest growing insurance providers and remain dedicated to our capable and growing agency network. So lastly, as of today, we recently launched our new communication platform called CoverCore. And here at Stuckey, we are very agent focused. So our ultimate vision is for companies or businesses, also prospects, individuals or families, to access an on-demand network of thousands of Stuckey's experienced local and licensed insurance agents. So with that being said, as we plan to provide methods to bring customers to you, CoverCore offers a 1-minute questionnaire that will help match these customers and businesses with an agent that offers a unique skill set needed for the placement of their insurance. This online platform can be accessed via web and also on smartphones and tablets. In addition, CoverCore offers rate, quoting, and binding functionalities. And as of today, we're only offering these functionalities for the technology industry, including safety tech, along with education for Mobile Rhino, auto services for Tuniacs. And these industries are only here at Stuckey Company. And before long, we plan to also add additional industries as well. However, to learn more about products, CoverCore helps our agents gain access to useful information as well. Not just about our products offered, but also the coverages available, the descriptions of those coverages, the industries, the eligible states. In addition, CoverCore provides instant, easy access to applications, brochures, appetite guides, frequent asked questions, coverage highlights, and more under each one of our products. This does include a cord form applications as well. So to register, please visit www.covercore.com to learn more. And if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself or Megan. So in addition to CoverCore, as we strategize to help bring these customers and exclusively to our agents, we have created our micro-targeted lead program to help fill our agents' sales pipeline. So at no cost for our agents, Stuckey Company will provide 25 to 50 hyperlocal technology businesses leads within 5 miles or less from your office location or even any other designated location. We will provide full details of these business leads. They will be reviewed, approved by our team to qualify to fit our safety tech program and our underwriting guidelines. Also, we will provide co-branded marketing material to help our agents like yourself to help win the sale. So how to participate? First, we ask you to complete our partnership promise, or what we like to call our commitment card. This document provides the items promised to be fulfilled by Stuckey, along with the commitments to be fulfilled by your agency, such as getting trained to learn more about technology E&O and our safety tech product, follow up on the leads that we provide, enter all the information in CoverCore, and of course, quote the business through our safety tech program and bind coverage if you get the order. Next, Stuckey will provide co-marketing material or co-branded marketing material, to be mailed. It will be mailed specifically from Stuckey to these leads. This material includes a postcard that introduces yourself, contact information, and invites the business to quote their insurance with you and offer them a free giveaway. In addition, we also will be sending the lead an initial letter, providing them with additional information about our safety tech product, and again, introducing you as the agent. And we'll be sending them an email as well to top it off. So we can also add your logo to the marketing material, which is really nice. But lastly, these leads will be sent to you and access to you through CoverCore. So here you will find your leads in your account under your customers, where we will provide additional details of that approved lead. So once you access that particular lead in CoverCore that you're working on, here you will find the address, primary contact person of that business, telephone numbers, revenue information, employee size, product information, property information, and more. This also includes direct access to their website and email. So it's all just one click away, which is really nice. But for additional questions about the lead program or CoverCore, please feel free to reach out to Megan or myself. All right, so that about wraps it up for our webinar. So again, thank you for joining us. But I did want to just point out that at Stuckey Company, we would be happy for the opportunity to help support your insurance business, obviously. And if you are not already an appointed agent with Stuckey, please reach out to Megan or myself, and we'd be happy to speak to you about the registration process, the appointment process, and also answer any questions about our appetite, programs available, and all that good stuff. So, all right, so now let's see if we can go through some questions here. It looks like we got quite a few, so let's see, what was our first one? All right. The first one, do you have monoline personal auto markets in the state of Florida? Great question. Megan, do you want to answer that, or you?
Sure. We are actually fairly competitive in the state of Florida. We write monoline personal auto with Safeco, the Hartford, Foremost, and MetLife. However, this does exclude Dade and Broward counties. I want to point out that we certainly have additional markets in Florida along with auto, such as homeowners, umbrella, motorcycle, and watercraft. This also includes high-value homeowners with AIG and Chubb.
Excellent. Thank you, Megan. Let's see what else we got here. Does it cost to participate in the micro-targeted lead program, and are you only providing leads for the technology businesses? You want to answer that one, Megan?
Yeah.
Okay.
It does not cost to participate. We'd love the opportunity for more agents to be a part of our Safety Tech Technology E&O program. For that reason, Stuckey is paying for these leads. We just ask that you promise to quote and bind business through our program. As of today, we are only offering technology business leads. We hope to provide additional industries soon.
Awesome. Thank you. Let's see. A lot of the same questions, which is good. How do you obtain applications?
That's a great question. I would suggest that you reach out to Tyler or myself, and we can send you the correct application. This probably would be the most efficient method, but as Tyler mentioned earlier, applications can be found in CoverCore as well. CoverCore includes appetite guides, brochures, coverage info, etc. The application should be attached to each product available on CoverCore, including some Accord form applications.
Excellent. Okay. We are kind of running low on time, but we'll definitely try to squeeze in as many questions as we can. All right. What states is the lead program available in the Safety Tech program? Great question.
We write it in 48 states. There are a few states that the surplus lines tax would apply to, and that would be Louisiana, Virginia, Vermont, Oregon, and I don't know.
I think it was what's some other ones? New Mexico, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
Massachusetts, I believe, too. Okay, perfect. And I wish we had Maggie here to answer those. Maggie, our lead technology underwriter. All right, so let's see. Got a lot of questions about state-specific stuff, which is good. So we'll definitely try to answer those.
We can also email you afterwards if we don't get
Yeah,
questions,
absolutely.
So.
Definitely. Do you have any restrictions to write in the state of Louisiana? Do you want to answer that one, or I can?
Yeah.
It's up to you.
So first, let's talk personal lines. We do typically have some coastal restrictions with some of our carriers, especially south of Lake Pontchartrain. However, we do have high-value home markets with AIG and Chubb. The auto markets would include MetLife and Safeco, but Louisiana is a little tricky. Unfortunately, we don't have many property markets available. When it comes to commercial lines, we can quote MetLife or Maxim, but we can't quote, with MetLife or Maxim, but we do quote with the Hartford, Travelers, CNA, and Chubb. This would once again be limited by location, eligible class codes, etc. If you're an agent in Louisiana, I'm sure you know it's not the easiest state to write in. This is due to coastal restrictions, especially in our standard markets. We also cannot write property or building coverage anywhere south of I-10.
Awesome. Thank you for answering that. Let's see what else we have here. All right, try to squeeze in a couple more. Let's see. How do you get appointed with Stuckey? We got that one a lot, so let's go ahead and answer that one, I guess.
It's pretty easy. You would just go to our website, and it's the first thing on the website. You would register to be an agent. You fill out some quick information, and that will then trigger an email being sent to you with our appointment document package. Those are your standard documents. And then Tyler and I will reach out to you personally after you register to get to know a little more about you and your agency and how we can support your insurance business.
Awesome. We're actually getting a lot of inquiries in regards to the state of California. So I'm going to see if I can, after reading these, I think I can answer a few of them in one question, I guess. So, so is there any competitive market? It looks like a lot of people are asking about, is there any competitive markets for personal lines in the state of California?
Yeah, we have fairly competitive markets in California. We write monoline auto with Safeco, the Hartford, MetLife, and Foremost. We also write high-value home with AIG and Chubb for $1 million in coverage A with 2 additional lines of business such as personal auto and umbrella.
Perfect. All right. So let's see. Kind of running low on time, but we'll answer one more. And let's see. Here's another great question. Does Stuckey Company process agent of record or broker of records to be moved? I assume to be moved from possibly one MGA or wholesaler to Stuckey.
And that's a great question, and we absolutely do this. If your agency is looking to move any business to Stuckey, we would definitely be happy to service that account going forward. Typically, if you're looking to move 20 or more accounts to one of our carriers, we can process a book rollover. We would just need a letter with the accounts listed, policy numbers, effective dates, and this applies to both personal and commercial lines. If it's under 20 accounts, if you just have one or two you want to bring over to us, our carriers accept the Accord 36, which is the AOR BOR Accord form. We would just need the policy numbers, insured signature, effective date of transfer to move it to Stuckey, and the line of business.
Wow, perfect. All right. So due to the time, again, we will absolutely do everything we can to answer the rest of your questions. There's quite a few, so we'll do that today for sure. Therefore, please, if you would like, we'll be on for another 5 minutes. Continue to ask any questions as we close the call, and we'll certainly get to those. But again, thank you very much, everyone, for joining us today. We truly look forward to hearing from you and also speaking to you soon about your agency situation. And hope we can find, hopefully we can be another great resource, for your insurance business. And thank you, Megan, for coming today and answering these questions. And
yeah,
all right.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.